Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about whether or not you should use your Etsy shop name as a tag. This was a requested video and I wanted to give you guys my opinion about it, so make sure that you stick around till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, consider subscribing. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first one notified of every new video. So you only have 13 tags that you could use in order to drive traffic from Etsy's building traffic and Google search results. If you are a new shop, then I wouldn't waste a tag by using my shop name. And the reason is that most likely no one is searching for your shop name since you are just starting out. However, if you are an established brand outside of Etsy, then in this situation, I would recommend using your name tag because people are probably going to start searching for you on Etsy as well. It's pretty natural when you grow a brand. However, like I said, if you are just starting out, then it makes more sense to use that space for another tag that accurately describes what you sell and have another opportunity to get seen in the search results. Once you have established yourself as a brand and you're growing your online presence and people are starting to take notice of your brand, then that's when I recommend going back to all of your listings and adding your shop name. So let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to leave a request below if you want me to make any type of video that you would like me to explain anything that I possibly could help you with. Thanks again for watching.